Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Greetings, my name is Kamogelo Moloto, also known as Divine, the founder and owner of ofIvine 7 Seals, recently changed to ofIvine Alignments. The business is based in Tshepong, Sebokeng. It was founded in October 2019. I started my business because I realized that a lot of professionals don't find time for their mental wellness and physical wellness. So I ventured into doing yoga classes in flexible hours and in affordable prices. We have came to a realization that most of our clients are interested in weaving beads, which is a skill that I possess. So we expanded our business into jewelry making and also offering wellness. The products that we have are mostly holistic healing products, such as gemstones, waist beads. We have gemstone earrings, we have wooden earrings, we have clothing, we have yoga mats. If you'd love to order the products, you can find them online. They are also nationwide. We can deliver anywhere you are. So whichever province that you're at, don't hesitate to order from ofIvine Alignments. ofIvine Alignments products are unique because they are handcrafted with love, and you owning any of the crafts, you have assurance that you're the only one owning that and having that craft. So it gives you confidence, and all our products help with healing as they are holistic. So that's why you should choose us. My contact details are 078-902-7436. Feel free to WhatsApp me and text me, or check my page on Facebook as ofIvine 7 Seals, on Instagram as ofIvine Alignments, and TikTok as ofIvine Alignments. Hi, my name is Kamogelo Moloto and I am a Township Entrepreneur.